Thank you, Grandpa and Grandma. It's just what we wanted.
Thank you. You guys each get 2 presents.
All right.
Here's your
Mariah
second.
get?
I'll open afterward.
She gets a camera. Here's your second.
Whoa.
This one smells good too.
They all smell good.
They smell like marshmallows.
Thank
and
you.
coconut.
Okay. Wait.
Do you have
if
some?
everybody gets 2, then why is there only 2 left? Then maybe you guys should have those.
Here, Alt.
Give Mariah one, and you take this one, and then I'll just open one.
Well,
Okay, I'm gonna open
could I
mine.
take this one instead?
Sure. All right, Daddy first.
43 seconds
Oh, it's
of
a
video.
game.
Yay!
Sequence, dates, and capital.
Awesome.
Thank you, Grandma.
Let's play that tonight.
Look, there's
Cool.
Texas and Iowa right beside each other.
Aw, they're friends.
Carlin's
Okay.
turn.
Go, Carlin. Go, Carlin. Go, go.
Another game. What? Grand holders.
Card
Oh, we
holders.
saw this in
That was
the
Holders.
Those are
Yay.
Yay! Grandma Mariah's very happy, I can
throw
tell.
all your wrapping paper at me.
Okay.
I
Once you-
got Wizard, a card game.
Ooh.
The original, and it's sold over 1 million.
Wow.
Thank you.
Okay, Reagan.
Reagan's
Go.
turn.
How am I supposed to open this thing?
However you'd like.
I think this is a deck of cards. I don't know what this is. It's something that starts out yellow. It smells like candy.
Or
Maybe
orange.
it was because of
I
the
think this one's a puzzle.
Smell like it.
It smells like marshmallows.
What is it?
Something.
Oh, what is it?
Go fish.
Hey,
Is it a card game?
it's Wizard.
Wizard. What? That can't be right.
Wait, keep going.
Keep going. Maybe it's different. Or maybe we both got
The
one.
box is a little different. Oh, that's stubborn, huh?
That's one good too.
Oh, whoa. Wizard Junior.
Oh,
Wizard for
look,
kids.
it has the picture ones. Ah, thank you. All right, Dad's turn again.
Aren't you gonna open a present?
I'll open mine last.
Oh, did I get this one or what, huh?
Puppy
We need to put that together.
Here, Reagan, you open your next
Go for it,
Carlin's
Carlin.
turn.
I open this one.
Okay.
Okay.
I want you to.
Okay, someone open one.
Mariah, you open one.
Alrighty, I will open mine. And then someone goes next. I'm not sure who should.
Reagan. You.
Nugs!
Oh.
Yay!
Trajan.
Sure, I like puppies.
And Daddy likes nugs. Oh, all right.
No,
Now,
you.
It is
Carlin.
At the same time, hurry up.
same time. Whoever opened this
Three.
its fastest gets to choose. Go, 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 go!
It's not a race.
Okay, it's not a race. Just
Holiday
open.
cards.
Holiday cards.
How am I supposed to open this? I don't know if these are.
Ah, they win.
Grandma.
They're just nuts.
Thank you very
I
much.
knew they smelled
Does that
good.
smell good?
Nugs.
More nugs.
Cocoa
Oh, those are
nugs.
Cocoa nugs.
Daddy loves
Okay,
cocoa.
1, 2,